Ever wish you could skip the textbooks and just start speaking Greek? For real? Welcome to the Greek Roleplay Challenge. Speak Greek from day one. Where learning Greek means stepping into the scene, speaking like a local. No boring grammar drills, no endless rules, just real conversations that get you talking. Each lesson drops you right into real life situations, like ordering at the Greek taverna, grabbing a souvlaki, shopping for clothes in Greece, shopping fruits at the farmer's market, or renting your dream house in Greece. You'll watch, listen, and most importantly, speak. With 5 interactive role-play challenges designed for beginners, you'll start building confidence step by step from your very first day. Speak real Greek, build confidence, learn by doing. Are you ready to stop studying and start speaking? Then let's roll. Your Greek adventure starts right now.